Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a delivery driver for Talabat. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Talabat is a leading food delivery platform in the Middle East, North America. So in order to get started, we need to meet some requirements. So age and legal eligibility. So you must be at least 18 years of age. Some regions might require you to be 21. You must hold a valid residency, visa or work permit, and possess a valid driver's license for your vehicle type. Also, talking about vehicles, so you need to own a motorbike, car, bicycle, or be willing to walk. Vehicle requirements may vary by region as well. In some areas, the vehicle must be registered in the same emirate and not older than 5 years. Have a smartphone with iOS 11 Plus or Android 5 Plus to run the Talabat Rider app. Anything less than that, you won't be able to access the Talabat app. And also provide proof of medical insurance, which is required in some regions. So if you meet those requirements, we can go ahead and get started. So from here, we need to go to a site called riderjoetalabat.com, and you'll be taken to this page. And then we need to create a profile. You can change your language on the top here. I'm going to keep this in English. So from here, select your city. So go ahead and select your city. I'm going to choose Karak and then choose your vehicle, scooter or car. I'm going to go click scooter, and then we need to fill out your first name, last name, phone number, and also ID number. And then go ahead and click on submit. Then from there on the next page, you'll need to upload necessary documents. For example, ID, driver's license, vehicle registration, and all that good stuff, and then submit your application. And then if your application is approved, you'll be invited to an onboard session or training, either online or in person. Then from there, you can start delivering. So download the Talabat Rider from the Google Play Store, App Store, depending what device you're using. Log in, pick your shifts, and start making deliveries and making money.